Welcome back to another edition of Control Hair Care Styles and Reviews, and today is wash day. I will be using Control Hair Care Scalp Restoration Shampoo and Mega Moisture Mask. Well, let's get started. My hair has been pre-detangled and is ready to wash. Control Hair Care Scalp Restoration Shampoo is great for psoriasis, eczema, dandruff, and itchy scalp. Rinsing the hair with hot water rids dirt and outside debris. This shampoo is a liquid, but don't get it twisted. This formula is concentrated and soaks up on contact of hair and scalp. Look at those bubbles. And a little goes a long way. Next, deep condition with Mega Moisture Mask. This has a thick, soft, creamy, and buttery feel. This conditioner slides on the hair. To deep condition, use a conditioning cap or a shopping bag as you see here. Then simply wrap a towel around and wait for about 30 minutes to an hour. Note, the longer that the conditioner stays in, the better. Also, try this as an overnight treatment. Rinse hair with cool water. This will further lock in that conditioner. Scalp is clean and hair is soft. Visit us at controlhaircare.com. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial with Control Hair Care. Please like, subscribe, and follow us on IG and Facebook at Control Hair Care.